Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion forms. First, understand that Notion itself doesn't have a native form feature in the traditional sense. Instead, we leverage its powerful database capabilities and integrate with third-party tools or use specific Notion features to create a form-like experience. This approach allows for highly flexible data collection, directly populating your Notion databases with new entries, saving you valuable time and effort in manual data transfer. One of the most effective ways to create robust Notion forms is by using external form builders. Services such as Tally, Chilipaper, or even Google Forms can be seamlessly integrated. These platforms provide extensive customization, including conditional logic, file uploads, and various question types. Once set up, every submission automatically creates a new item in your designated Notion database, making data management incredibly efficient and straightforward for your team. While not a traditional form, Notion's native database features offer a simple way to collect information. You can create a new button within a database view, or even a template button which pre-fills properties for consistent entries. For external users, sharing a filtered database view can guide them to add new items with specific properties. This method is ideal for internal teams or when you need a very basic, direct input system without external tools. To optimize your Notion forms, always start by clearly defining your data collection goals. What information do you absolutely need? Keep your forms concise, aiming for 5 to 7 essential fields to maximize completion rates. Provide clear instructions and use appropriate property types in Notion, such as text, number, or select, for better data integrity. Regularly, review your forms to ensure they remain relevant and efficient for your ongoing data collection needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.